Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share about Sri Lanka. Did you guys know about that the Sri Lanka is a country that have many social records about tourism industry. It is an island full of many natural resources and places related to all the climatic seasons in the world except winter, and stunning beaches like a heaven. But today I will not explain about all these things about Sri Lanka. I will give a comparison about two marvelous places in Sri Lanka. These are sunny Udawalawa and called Nuwaraeliya. First, I would like to share about Nuwaraeliya. This is kind of a place like hilly and cold like a Europe country, and there is so beautiful. There is beautiful tea plantation system, imagine like green clouds, and they have unbelievable architectural designs like Edison Bungalow and Nine Night Bridge, etc. The Edison Bungalow has so many old 80s household appliances. If you want to experience 80th century, Edison Bungalow is the best place to visit in Sri Lanka. If we talk about Nuwaraeliya, we can't skip Ella and Nine Night Bridge in Sri Lanka. The Nine Night Bridge is an unbelievable architectural design I ever seen. That is so beautiful. If you take a train ride, you can experience the world's best train ride in this place. And you can't forget the Ella. Exactly, it's like a fantasy. Okay, I think you have an idea about the beauty of Nuwaraeliya. Next, we move to explore Udawalawa warm beauty. Okay, let's go. Udawalawa has a big biodiversity around it. You can take a safari ride in Udawalawa Reservoir, and it's an unforgettable experience to you exactly. You can visit Udawalawa Sugar Factory and you can experience fresh sugar made in Sri Lanka. It's very sweet. You can get a super cool fun in the caterpillar tank. It's an low depth area expand along 50 meters average. It's so funny and enjoyable. Now we are going to end our video. Thanks for watching. If you are enjoy, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, comment and click the bell button down below. See you guys.